Good morning and welcome to the kitchen. I am going to be making egg bites this morning, and I always love going to Starbucks, and when I'm at a conference or we're going somewhere for a weekend, I'll run into a Starbucks, and when I need a quick, healthy, delicious snack, I always buy their egg bites. So I thought, what a great way to make them at home. And I'm going to show you a couple of our new spring products at the exact same time. So I've got our new multi-cooker all ready to go, and you'll see that it says add. So I need to open this up so that I don't miss this time. Oh, I started it over. That's not good. So, let's see. I have to get my steam released is what I need to do. Get my lid off so that it's ready to rock and roll here. Look at that. Where do you put the lid? It is right there for you. Right? So let me spin this camera around so maybe you have a better view of what is happening here in the kitchen. That's the fun part of always trying to figure out, where do we put the phones? Where do we put the iPad? All right, so here is the multi-cooker, and I've got it all set up, and we are ready to roll. So in the eggs, for the egg bites, I am going to do 6 eggs. 6 large eggs. And if you're somebody who likes to do egg white bites instead, you can simply use our new egg separator. Pop it up there, hands free, and away you go. I'm going to be using the whole egg, so we're going to let that just drip and go there. And what I love about the egg separator is look at how solid it sits on top of that batter bowl, right? And then that handle folds down for easy storage, and it doesn't take up as much space in your tool turnabouts, in your utensil holders, or in your nightmare drawers. All right, so we got our eggs. 6. Okay, then we're going to add in a 1/3 cup of cottage cheese, or I didn't have cottage cheese, so I am going to substitute ricotta for that, so you could do that as well. Same type of cheese, same fluffy texture and body that it adds in there. And I've got a nice 1/3 cup in the measure-all cup. And we're going to dump this in here. Away we go. Perfect. And of course you need a little bit of salt and pepper to season that up. So let's grab our salt and pepper, just a little wee bit. Ricotta cheese, and cottage cheese does have a little bit of salt to it, so don't over salt it. And then we're going to use this end to be our whipper. And we're going to whip it together. Nice, fluffy, delicious eggs. Now I am going to do a little sneak ingredient in here that's not inside of our recipe. As soon as I can find it. I'm digging in my fridge, ladies, gentlemen. And what you can do if you want to add just a little, just a splash, is take your hot sauce and add one little wee bit into that, okay? Now you don't want to overdo it, you just want a little bit of flavor. So break into your hot sauce bottle here. A little dab will do ya. Woo! That's a big dab, but we'll go with it. And like I said, get that all whipped, incorporated incorporated together, nice and fluffy. Looking good, looking good. Oh yeah. Okay, then I have our new egg molds here that is ready to go. So you can see the egg molds. Just do a little rearranging here so you can see everything. There you go. And in the egg molds, you're going to fill them 2/3 full. Just like that. And you can top them with a little bit of spinach, pepper, feta cheese. If you want that Mediterranean kind of flavor, you can top it with some nice gruyere cheese. I love that sound, gruyere cheese. You could do that, absolutely. Today I'm gonna mix a little bit of bacon with cheddar cheese. Oops, that one's overfilled. Got to do it once, right? There we go. Okay, and then you're going to top it with your cheese and your crispy bacon. Just push some in there. Just like that. Now, these are going to be so fluffy and light. They're just going to, you know, puff in your mouth. They're going to feel like pillows instead of eggs. They are literally so very fluffy. And that's the part that I love about when I went to Starbucks with their egg whites. And I thought, they're just so fluffy. What do they do? Well, guess what? I Googled it. And Starbucks sous vide their egg bites. And they prep them ahead of time, just like I'm going to do here. And they literally just have to reheat them when it is time to eat. So you can do the exact same thing with this and have this all prepped and ready to go. And then you can take them and pop them in one of our new reusable bags after, seal them up, put them in the fridge for 3 days, up to 3 days, or in your freezer for up to 2 months. And then when you're ready to go for a lunch, you want a quick snack, you're on the road, you're going to work, you're hungry in the morning, you just take one of those out and pop them into the microwave or your air fryer to heat them up. So it is that easy. I'm going to pop them into here. Let me get this ready to go on its tray. You got a little tray here. And I will lower this so you can see what I am doing on this side. And you're gonna just snug in those egg things in here. And don't forget your crispy bacon. Whoops, dropped it. Get some bacon bites in there. And you can serve more bacon on the side. I cooked up a lot of bacon right now. And I'm going to be using my reusable new bags to put some away in the fridge so that when I want a nice quick breakfast, or I'm making some Caesar salad, or I am doing pierogies, then I have my bacon ready. So we're going to pop this lid on like this. Okay. This is going to go into, hug it tight, into the inner pot, which I have steamed my water already. Okay, make sure it's nice and closed. Pop this on, close it up, and I am going to set this on sous vide. 172 degrees, yes. For 90 minutes, yes. And I am ready to cook. There we go. Voila, egg whites are in.